How to upload photos to iCloud and delete from iPhone. Let's get started. First of all, launch your Settings app. Now navigate to your Apple ID. Click on the option iCloud. Now head over to the option Photos. Make sure you have enabled for the option Sync this iPhone. In case you don't have enough storage, you can buy it by clicking on the option of Manage Storage. Then go ahead and purchase any of the given option for the storage. Then check in for the option Optimize iPhone Storage. With this, now all of your device photos will be synced to your iCloud drive. But this process equals to mirroring the photos. All the photos of your device will be available in the iCloud. But if you want to delete any photo from your iPhone, but you want to include that photo in the iCloud, what you have to do is, for that, you can use Files app. First, launch your Photos app. Now navigate to the picture that you want to delete from your device, but you want to save to the iCloud. Click on the share icon. Now scrolling down, you're going to find list of options. Select the option Save to Files. Select any of the folder. Click on Save. Just with that, you have saved this image to the Files app. Now you can delete this picture from your Photos app. Now I can close this and check your Files app. The picture will be available. So right now, this is the only way. I hope now you guys are clear if you are able to upload photos to iCloud and delete from iPhone or not. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.